Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fusner. How you doing, guys? So, in the new t-shirt, yes, if I said I'll fix it, I will. There is no need to remind me every 6 months. Okay, so what we want to say today is we've got a PS4. PS4 came for an issue with the Blu-ray. Yes, suddenly the Blu-ray have stopped. Now, as we know, in PS4, it's a slim one. There is a chip which is married to the main board, so if this chip fails, it fails completely. So, if it's a optical drive issue, but it's not the chip issue, you can fix it. If it's that chip, you can't fix it. Yes, so the first thing what you should check is, if the Blu-ray itself is working. If it doesn't have power and you plug it in onto the second PS4, for instance, and it's working, as we did already, we know that that Blu-ray is working fine. So it's not a problem with the drive itself. So now the next step is to check a fuse, and the fuse is 1, and let me switch to the scope. This is a F6202. Let me put the meter into the beeping mode so you can hear it. Do we have a beep? We have. Okay, and so now we've got a chip here, so this is here, look. Okay, so we've got a 6202 and we've got a beep, which is nice, yeah? The same story here. Issues with connecting, but you can see it's connected. Now, okay, now let's switch to the camera. Look, I will take this board on my left. Now get our customer's board, place it underneath the scope. Let's align it as well, roughly, and let's switch back to the scope. Okay, so we get the same area, 6202. Again, beep works. The beep will work on the 6201. Yes, and what about 622? Nothing. No matter what we try, see, you can grab the hole. Nothing, and it's showing me 1.4. Okay, so that's the problem. Now, if you replace this fuse, you can replace it with a 0 ohm resistor of the same size. I think it's a 0201 size. And here is the chip. It's Renesas, and this is a married chip. So if you replace that fuse and that's not working still, so pretty much this chip is failed and it's not worth fixing. Because, as I said, it's most likely the chip is married to the main board. You would have to replace other components as well, and this is a no fix for the customer. Okay, so that's all you can do. You can check the optical drive, you can check the fuse, okay, and then pretty much it. I haven't seen any other issues than that. If I've seen them, nobody else could help me, so I call it a no fix. But that's all I wanted to show you in this episode, so hopefully you find it interesting. Quite short, yes, less than 5 minutes video. Okay, I won't mix up. I'll put this one. Okay, this can stay here because I need to remove that fuse and put 0 ohm resistor of 0201 size now. And if it won't work, then automatically a no fix for the customer. But that's it in this video. Yes, if you like my sarcasm of every 6 months, then you've got some fun. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and if possible, let's fix them all. Cheerio.